Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a simple Halloween makeup look. Here, I'll be recreating Pennywise from the famous movie It. It'll be a female glam kind of version with DIY as effect. So if you guys are interested on how I did this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. MORPHE 350 palette, I'm picking this shade right here with a pencil brush and lining it above my natural crease. With a big blending brush, I'm gonna take the shade right here and then soften the line we created. Using this even smaller blending brush, I'm gonna pick up this reddish brown to deepen up my crease. Using this dark brown shade to add more depth. Then using a concealer, we're gonna cut the crease. For the cuts on our face, we're going to use glue. Just simply apply wherever is needed and then let it dry for a few seconds. After waiting for a few seconds, you then cut a line in the middle where you applied your glue. Then wait for another few seconds to completely dry. Then I'm gonna contour my face using this palette, and I'm going to use the red blush shade. Using this MAC lipstick, I'm gonna draw a little clown nose. Using this black brown shade, I'm gonna overline my lips. Then using this MAC lipstick in the shade Lady Danger to fill in my lips. Black or red shadow, apply it in the center where you placed your cuts. Lastly, apply fake blood. You could always option for food coloring or paint. Here I'm using fake blood I bought at Daiso. Then apply it at the center where you place your cuts. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till my next video. Bye!